Today is lunch break paintball shooting with my brother Garrett. He's all geared up, going to show me how he gets done. I set up a little target shot right there. Just gonna see him blast it out of there. Let's see, there it is. All right, fire away, sir, fire away.
You gotta do safety.
Oh, safety first.
Safety first. There's dog poop on it. We don't care.
We don't care. That's how we roll. He's got all the pods on his back. You know, he's ready for freaking zombie apocalypse.
Ready?
Ready. Bam! No way. All this walking, hey, he shot it, but we're all out of air.
Nope. Battery ran out.
Oh, okay. Battery's out. Well, we're gonna go. Oh, thanks for dragging me here up in the woods before you checked your battery.
I didn't take it. You're already here.
Oh, man. All right.